how to create multiple Gmail accounts on one email, and this about right here about satisfied for making this kind of thing, that it should be really satisfied for doing everything, that it should be really related to that, which can be really satisfied for going on with the very important levels as soon as possible. That is still to be really very important to be done on that. That is still to be right now, guys. So but it can be really done over here, as you can see. About click here on that and settings, as you can see, click on see all settings. Now once you do that, you're gonna start to click here on accounts and import, and then as you can see, so then about right here, throw that to add email, and then as you can see, we're gonna start to take this email, as you can see, and then start to be on that on this one, by the way, sorry. So you know what it is. I'm gonna start to type this one, by the way, for this one. Next step, and send the verification to that, and this will about be added through the send email address. And that is all about right here to understand and help you through this video.